In this video, you'll be learning how to access your Google tools through your St. Paul Public Schools accounts. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to the page start.stpaul.k12.mn.us. When you get there, log in using your St. Paul credentials. Type your first name, your last name, at stpaul.k12.mn.us. Click Next. You may be asked to verify with Okta. Look for the Okta Verify tutorial if you need help with this step. Once you've logged in, you should see the SPPS apps start page. From here, you can easily access your stpaul.k12 email account, your Google Drive, and your Google Calendar. Let's begin by looking at our drive. When you open your drive, you'll see that you're signed in under your SPPS email address, and you'll also see access to different shared drives, documents, and folders that you've stored. To get to some of the other tools that Google offers educators, click the 9 dots in the upper right-hand corner, sometimes called the waffle. Here, you'll get a menu of options. You can get to your Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, and more from this menu. If you're looking for information about how to use these tools, head over to edu.google.com. When you get there, click For Educators, and then choose the product guides. Here you'll find all sorts of information to help you use your Google tools. Things like forms, docs, slides, sheets, and more. Let's take a look at what we see when we click into the Google Docs product guide. Here I can see an introductory video, as well as a getting started guide, where I can work through a number of videos to help me learn about Google Docs. You can also explore the Teacher's Lounge to learn tips and tricks from other teachers. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see the St. Paul Public Schools website for staff at spps.org/staff.